Chitgar Lake, or the Persian Gulf Martyrs, was built in order to soften and reduce air pollution in the northwest of Tehran and includes various recreational and welfare facilities that are visited by many people daily due to its proximity to many of Tehran's sites. The area of this lake reaches 130 hectares, in the vicinity of which a recreational complex with a size of 120 hectares has been built. Facilities and prices of Chitgar Lake entertainment: boating in Chittagong, fishing in Chitgar Lake cycling, fun on the rocky shore of Chitgar Lake, Chitgar sandy beach, Chitgar Lake amusement park, Chitgar Lake karting, Chitgar Lake game and prize land, walking distance around Chitgar Lake. The hiking trails are about 7 kilometers long in the form of a ring around the lake, and those who are interested can walk around the lake while watching the scenery and breathing fresh air. Along the way, you will cross the crown of Chitgar Lake Dam, which is known as Wave Pass. The construction of this structure was inspired by the water wave and has a beautiful architecture, especially during the night, which is spectacular with the lighting. Also, the cycling axis is about 8 kilometers long around the lake. Common questions: where is Chitgar Lake? Chitgar Lake is an artificial lake in the northwest of Tehran, which is located in the north of Chitgar Forest Park. This lake is limited from the south to Hamadani Hakim Highway, from the north to Hemet Highway, from the east to Azadagan Highway, and from the west to the residential area of District 22 of Tehran Municipality. How to get to Chitgar Lake by subway? If you want to go to Chitgar Lake by subway, it is enough to take one of the trains on the Sadegier Gulshar line and get off at Chitgar metro station and take the bus to Shahid Bagheri town to the lake. What are the working hours of Chitgar Lake? Chitgar Lake working hours: from 6 a.m. to midnight, and visiting is open to the public. Are the recreational facilities of Chitgar Lake free? Chitgar Lake recreational facilities are not free and you have to pay to use each one, but if you do not use the recreational and non-free facilities of the complex, sightseeing in the area around the lake is free of charge, and this is one of the advantages of this lake.
job.